So if you are an air sign, that's Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, but this reading will resonate with you more if you are a Sun or a Moon or a Rising of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but Moon sign resonates with you the most all the time. So let's get into it and let's see what all you need to know today. This is like general prediction for you guys. Just felt called to do it, so I'm doing it. Not gonna be for everybody. We have the Queen of Wands, the Devil in reverse. You're definitely breaking free from your own limiting beliefs or your own restrictions that you put on yourself in the past. So maybe if you used to limit yourself, you used to like feel I am limited, this is all I can do, this is everything that I can do, this is all I can get. You used to like put yourself under a box. You're no longer doing that because you're taking the control of your life in your hands. And there might be a person that you used to. Alright, so if you are romantically involved with somebody right now, I feel like this person and you together are letting go of the times when you guys were just like being with each other for fun. So it's like if you and somebody else was not serious about the connection that the two of you shared, you guys are finally ending that era. It almost feels like you guys were in like dating situations, you were like open relationship, you were in an open relationship, or it feels like that era when you don't want to be committed, you don't want to be tied down to anybody, you don't want to be like in a committed relationship, but then you meet you meet the person that you are in love with, and then you want to like change your whole life just to be with that person, and you need commitment, you want to get married, you want to get engaged, and you just want to like cut off all the toxicity, you want to cut off all the people, you want to cut off all the friend groups, and you just want to be with that one person. I feel like this is the time and the next stage of your relationship. Like this is the next stage where you are getting with your person. And if this person like ever made you feel like they are keeping their options open, this is also coming to an end because this person is very serious about you. And this is happening because of your own commitment to improve yourself. This is happening just because you committed yourself in the last 2 years, in the last 2 months. You were so dedicated, you gave yourself all the time and space, and you worked hard. That's what I feel. You worked really hard in order to get where you are, and it's more coming from your confidence. So because you were so confident about something in your life, you were so confident that you deserved the life that you're currently manifesting in your life. This is the reason why this is happening. And this person, by the way, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, is very serious about you. Two of Cups has split the deck. Maybe in the past this person did not want you to change, or now this person do not want to change. So if you feel like, okay, but they are behaving right now, but what if they change in the future? It's not going to happen. This person is not going to change in the upcoming time. Spirit wants me to mention specifically about this person is that this is the one for you. They'll never leave your side. They'll never leave your part. Also, you are coming out of a period of sadness. You are coming out of a time in your life where you'll feel where you used to feel drained, where you used to feel like your mood used to be, you used to have a lot of mood swings, you used to have a lot of sad energy all around you all the time. You're coming out of that energy very, very soon. So I think you guys are starting a whole new different chapter. You could be like a Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus ruled by Venus energy. So you could be strong Taurus or Libra placements, which is like Venus ruled planet. So you're also attracting a lot of luxury and happiness into your life through soft life. Now what do I mean by soft life is that it's not that you're going to parties, you're going on yacht parties, you are going to like expensive shopping dates, or you're doing something to treat yourself very expensively. But what do I mean by soft luxury and soft life is that you're working, you have your set routine, you're happy and contained with wherever you are. You're eating healthy. Even if you're not eating healthy, whatever you're eating, you're very satisfied with it, and you feel happy while eating something. So it's like how do I say it? Your life is going to feel more satisfied and peaceful and contained in the upcoming time. It's not like a luxury in the sense that you're buying like luxurious stuff, but luxury is just like luxury of time, luxury of food, luxury of people, good relationships in your life who have good intentions for you, and you have peaceful days and nights, you're having peaceful evenings, you're having peaceful and productive mornings, productive days, and then peaceful nights. It's this is the luxury that I'm talking about. And you had to like struggle a lot while coming here. You had to struggle so much to get to this point. 6 of Cups and 5 of Cups, like I said, you had to struggle a lot. You had to come from sadness to making yourself happy. You had to come from sadness to like bringing yourself out and working on your inner child and healing yourself, healing your wounds, working on yourself. Like I mentioned, you worked on yourself so hard, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and this is the reason why you're attracting this. We have 5 of Cups and 6 of Cups. From sadness, depression, you went to inner trauma healing, childhood healing. You healed your inner child, and now you're moving towards karma, water, 6 of Swords, and then Judgment. You have the protection of God, the alignment with God, the alignment with the source, the universe. And because you are so much in tune with your real self, you are so much in tune with the creator, the God, the real you, which is the universe, which is the God. So I feel like just because you're coming so much in alignment with yourself, you're also coming in alignment with your higher self, which is God and the universe and divine. Because our highest self is the universe, because we are one with the universe, we are the universe. So just because you're coming in alignment with yourself, a whole burdensome chapter of your life is coming to an end. A chapter where you used to chase after love, where you used to like crave for love, where you used to cry because you did not have people to rely on. A chapter where you like people betrayed you, where you had to like take all the burdens, you had to take all the responsibility, where you couldn't even speak because I'm not able to speak. And if you're watching my videos all the time, I know I don't speak like this. You know I feel embarrassed. So you're also coming out of a phase where you felt embarrassed to be yourself because people might have shamed you for being yourself, but this is coming to an end. Scorpio energy is very strong as well. This is coming to a whole full stop. So this chapter is coming to an end, and this time you'll be able to be yourself, because you're surrounded with people who accept you for who you are, who love you for who you are, who don't stress you, who don't force you, who don't like hurry you. And that's the type of luxury that I was talking about. My mind is actually working faster than my mouth. So maybe you also were in a phase where you used to dream about a certain lifestyle, but then it never came true in your reality. So you used to daydream about having a certain life, but then your 3D never reflected it back. It is going to do in the very upcoming time. Very soon it is going to happen. I am not able to speak. I might like re-record the video, or I think that's all that I have for you guys. If you want to connect with me on one-on-one sessions, you can book that from the link in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to my other channels. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.